Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to select border type of container in Elementor, right? As you can see, I'm into the Elementor and here I'm creating a new web page of my website, and while using Elementor we have an option of plus icon displayed in middle of the screen to create a new container. So I have clicked on that, and now we are going to select a flex box, and in the structure we are going to select the direction column, and here in the edit container option I have clicked on edit container. Wait, let me check if my internet is working fine. Yeah, so I have clicked on edit container, and in the left side toolbar you can see there is an option of layout, style and advanced, right? So I'm going to increase the height of my container to this much, and here in the style let me add an image. So I have selected the background, and here in the normal and the background type I have selected classic, and in the image I am going to choose an image. Okay, I have selected this image from media library. Okay, we can adjust the position of this image to custom, whatever we want, right? Now I just want to add the border type, so I am going into the border type settings, in border settings, in the style settings, and right now we are just adjusting the border settings of the normal, right? And here in the back border type we can simply select the solid border if we want. So as you can see, a solid border is displayed over here, right? You can also select the double border, so automatically the image gets double, and you can also select the dotted border, right? So it has been converted into dotted, and in the same way you can select the dashed border. So let me select the solid border, and we can increase the border width, border color we can simply change. Okay, let me decrease the border, and now select the dotted. Then you can see there is a change, dashed. Now the dashed border is over there. You can also adjust the border radius, right, to curve this border shape. Okay, so this is how you can select the border type in Elementor in WordPress, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.